currently stuck in Winnipeg in a hotel room because there is a blizzard happening right now. And I gotta say, I have never missed being in the weather that we are getting in Ontario. And I can't wait to get back to my lawn because this week is going to be the first mow.
1 week later.
So, of course, timing never seems to be working out as of late. I'm doing lawnmower maintenance, getting it ready for that first cut, and it has started to rain. So, I am flying out tomorrow morning for my job, and this is where the timing issue has really come to play this season. Is every time I'm home, the weather hasn't really been working for me, and I travel a lot, and maybe you guys find the same thing, that really finding time to get out on your lawn is a major issue, and it seems to be this season so far this spring. Hopefully it doesn't stay this way much longer, because the grass is getting long and it needs a little bit of a tip job. It needs some cutting.
1 week later.
Okay, so it is finally the first day of mowing, and as you can see, I did one stripe there, not so straight, so I'm a little out of practice. Hey, look who's walking around in the background here.
Looking at the flowers.
Looking at the flowers. So I'm finally getting the first mow. I am not using my big league striper today because I went to pull it out and I am missing a part, so I have to go to Home Depot and replace a part on that. But I am getting the first mow of the season, and finally, and it is desperate need for it. It is in desperate need for it. So enjoy. So there we go. The lawn is finally cut, and it's looking pretty good for the first cut in. I've actually done nothing to the lawn yet. I've done no fertilizer. I did buy the starter fertilizer from Scott, and I have not applied it yet. I plan to do that this weekend after getting that first mow in, so it can really absorb all those nutrients and get into that soil. Really help those roots grow deep this year. I did see quite a bit last year, and I'm not really happy with the way it's looking. It didn't stay as thick as I thought it would throughout the winter. Some of the front lawn did thin out a bit, but those are really in problem areas, especially around that pine tree where there is a lot of acidity in the lawn due to those pine needles always falling, and a lot of shade. And unfortunately, it gets a lot of water and a lot of wash away in that area as well, because we have a downspout from the house that just floods that area. So first lawn cutting of the year is done, and looking forward to an entire season, guys. Remember, be patient, mow high when you have tall fescue, like I do, like most of us do in our area, and take your time, be patient, and enjoy what you do to your lawn. Enjoy your lawn work. If you like the video, please do subscribe, like, and click that notification bell so you can constantly get my videos. Have a great weekend.